All right, let's get straight to it. 2014 Chevy Cruze. This is the 1.4 liter engine. So this next one we're going to replace is the lower hose on the heater core. So if you see there's a clip on that hose, it goes, bottom. There's a clip on the bottom of that hose right there. You pull that metal clip down and you should be able to pop that hose right off. So once you remove that clip, it'll be loose like this. And now you can see it tees off the two sides. So the first side comes right down here on the bottom of this reservoir here. So it's just a flat head to get that out. So let's remove this side of the hose. All right, so this hose here on this side, there's the hose clamp. So this is the hose, and right underneath there's the hose clamp. So you should be able to get to that hose clamp with a small pliers. So we'll go ahead and get that hose clamp off, and that should be able to remove the rest of that entire hose, that entire three-way hose. All right, so that's it. We got these two ends off. So we're gonna reuse these clamps on the old one. So let's take this clamp off of here and this clamp off of here. Now if you have new clamps for these, then that's fine as well, but I'm gonna reuse these old clamps. All right, so I got this routed to where it needs to go. The left side is going over here to here. So I have the hose clamp already on there, so I'm just gonna push this on loosely just to keep it up here. Now we come and grab the other side, and also you see the hose clamp is on there, but it's not up to the tip, so that's fine. So I'm gonna go ahead and push this onto this pipe that's back here that we took the old one off of. Can't see it, but it's going on there. All right, so now that's on there. So now, before we tighten those up, let's just go ahead and connect this part here. I start with the clip halfway out first. This is with the clip being out. So all I have to do now is go ahead and push this hose all the way on. And once that hose is all the way on, then I can push that clip up to lock it in place. So you heard the clip on. Now I can push this clip up and it's gonna lock in place. All right, so I have it on there now, and I push that clip all the way up. So that piece is on. So now we can focus on, let's get this hose clamp here back up to the front. That should be pretty easy. All right, so now I also have the third and last part of that heater core hose on. So of course I have the main piece that goes to the heater core, the piece over here with the hose clamp, and then the last piece here with this hose clamp. So that takes care of that whole part.